How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete TikTok messages from both sides. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here you will need to take is update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, open up your App Store and search for TikTok. So let's do that here. And after you search for TikTok, if you find an update button available like this, tap on update to update it to its latest version. After you do that, you can then open up your TikTok and head to the chat. After you head over to your inbox section, head over to any DM or any messages that you want. So let's say I'm here. Now if you want to delete a message that on the both sides, you'll have to long press on the message. After you long press on the message, you'll find the delete button on the bottom right. Tap on it. After you do that, you'll get two options. One is to delete for everyone, the other is to just delete for you. So if you want to delete it for everyone, that is on the both sides, tap on delete for everyone. And there we go. You just deleted a message from both sides. And that's how you do it on TikTok. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.